Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly design your Shopify store banner from scratch using the site builder. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify store or your Shopify account as an administrator. So as you can see, here's what the dashboard looks like, and from here, the idea is we'd want to get access to the site builder. So you can do so by clicking on Online Store, Themes, and select Customize. Now this will take you guys to the site builder where you get to add a couple of new elements or sections to your website. So if I were to add an image banner or a banner for a store banner, I should say, for my online store, I'd click on add section like so and select the format for the layout. So from here, you guys would want to select image banner, and you can see that it's going to appear here. But if I want to rearrange it and have it featured as the top element of my store, I would simply hold this button right here, drag and drop, and you can see that it's now the header of my store. And from here, you guys can get to configure it, like change the text for this one, for example, so you can say whatever you guys want. So it can be like core dynamic store, and you can adjust the text to be bold. You can make it bigger, like so, and you can do you can have a bunch of you can generate a heading for it even, which is pretty cool. And you can be more elaborate about your store design, so you can give customers details about your store as well as the content of your website. You can customize the buttons like so. If I were to click on this, you'll see that you can embed a link or a redirect link to it and have the text say something else, like to store. Actually, it's better to just say store. So here we are, and we can add a link here to the products page or even a redirect. So that's how you guys can design it. It's pretty cool. You can even do this if you want to hide the element. And yeah, that's how you guys can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Hopefully it helped you guys out. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.